And a machine fire a Ayarama ref for Jamaica's game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Today we are with Alkaline, yeah man, the vendetta boss himself with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. It's a lyric video. So I'm gonna jump in the one and say, Wagwan, let's go, man. Alkaline, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, let's go.
They are trying to come to terms.
So like it's a sad one.
Stay solid, not me saying. Tired of sick on this. Oh, Father. Oh, Popsy. Respect. Cheers.
R.I.P. to the people that drop out. R.I.P. to the real one that drop out, you know? Yeah.
Still can't get over it. Hurt me and even cut deep into the soul of me. I run through the millions, them but it just don't feel the same. You are true, you don't know that the house land. And care, money and booze, them to the whole bar. None of that can't take it pain or eat. Throw me off bad for me and clip a scare. Yo.
Everybody who have somebody will drop out. Everybody who have somebody with them will pass on to another realm and then miss them. That song your phone represent. Alkaline with that one, representing. Yeah.
Yeah, try come to terms.
Yeah.
Come to terms. Stay solid, not me saying.
Yeah.
Tired of sick on this. Oh, Father. Oh,
who can relate?
Popsy. Respect. Javier. Cheers. Dear. Link. Colin. River. Still can't get over it. Hurt me and even cut deep into the soul of me.
Yeah.
Run through the millions, them but it just don't feel the same. You are true, you don't know that the house land. And care, money and booze, them to the whole bar. None of that can't take it pain or eat. Throw me off bad for me and clip a scare. Yo.
So I'm tell you, say, no matter how much money you have, no matter how much money you make, the house, the car, the land, the properties, everything, that's still not heal the pain where I go through. That's still not. I've missing a friend, I've missing a G, I'm missing a family. That's still not heal it, bro.
None of that can't take it pain or eat. Throw me off bad for me and clip a scare. Yo. Where do we go from it? Styling thing, never fair.
No fear.
You shouldn't even cut so. Fight today, not too much of them, just one of you. Couldn't watch a clip with me, I look and see me uncle. Gone like a G said away.
Yeah.
Everywhere we had the baby loops. Still I miss you every day, I never forget it, we never do. Remember the day when we get the news. Make a picture, all the memories of that I feel I get with you. Where do we?
Yo, that song is ironic. You know, say, I went Saturday, my last one of my cousin, bro. The man wake up good, and just collapse, and by the time them take him to the hospital, him dead in him car. Yo.
The memories of that I feel I get with you. Where do we go from it? Styling thing, never fair. Anybody can get it to me and pray. The business born up in you see me as a charging.
Yo, anybody can get it to me a pre. Anybody at all can get it, bro. To me a pre. Right now, I'm earth. And earth people, so anybody can get it. I write this on there.
Styling thing, never fair. Anybody can get it to me and pray. The business born up in you see me as a charging. Killer smoke your shut up on you like a tea.
Yeah.
Keep going for me, can niggas hate with them can't be.
Yeah, man, niggas hate with them can't be, man. Niggas hate with them can't be, bro. That the G tell us right now, so anybody can get it.
Anybody can get it to me and pray. The business born up in you see me as a charging. Killer smoke your shut up on you like a tea. Keep going for me, can niggas hate with them can't be. can't play there with me at the party. That we Jeff for something me, I'm not gonna lie me. Eternal ransom for who try we. My dogs live on. Yeah,
man, I eternal rest, man. For any boy with try one a dirt. Any boy at all feel like say them bad run up right now. Me I go through it and we put you through it. We put your family through it. Don't fuck up, man.
Eternal ransom for who try we. My dogs live on. Yeah, Janonica Ben cause we reach ya. I've done a kirk, shake up, a grief to. Girl in my band, girl for every season, dog. Yo, you know easy and regular procedure. Believe me, yo. Years passing, that make sense, not even now. Stress, confusion, will leave you brown. Can't help but think about the last time. Every power man, everywhere we had a baby lose. Still I miss you every day, I never forget you, we never do.
Never.
Did it when we getting news. Make a picture of the memories of that I feel I get with you. Where do we go for me? Styling thing, heaven fair.
Yeah, man. Bumbo class. R.I.P. to my real niggas, them a drop out, dog. R.I.P. to my loved ones, them, you see me? Everybody who have somebody who drop out with a miss. Represent in the comment section, you see me? Yeah, man. If I put R.I.P. and then put the person name, don't know you're representing the comment section. See me, you know? Because two things we sure about. A born and death. As man, you're sure a born and death. It's mad in their life I give one. And one day after dead. You know that? Alright. So, big up to my true G them a drop out. You see me? Yeah, big up on yourself. And big up Alkaline. Big up the whole Vendetta clan. Big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section though. And I'll catch you guys in there, man. Peace.
Yeah, Rust game, but I review your feisty dog. If feisty you fall.